Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, and I'm going to show you tonight how to make little pots to start your seeds in at home. And these are basically free. They're easy to make, and they're biodegradable. You just put your seeds in there. A lot of people were saying, oh, you worry about the ink. Almost all newsprint is done with soy ink, biodegradable soil ink anymore. So you can check with your local paper if you're worried. I'm not worried about it at our paper. So you can start your seeds in here. They're super easy. I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. I just used the paper that comes in our mail for our farm ads. You want to cut it or rip it. I just ripped it, and it doesn't have to be perfect, so that I have one sheet. You're going to fold it so that the tops match, and then crease. Now you'll find that your paper was probably folded and the crease wasn't done very well. That's okay. I don't always do it perfect either. Like just now I did not. There we go. So we got that. All right. Then you're going to fold it in half this way. So you did lengthways, now you're doing sideways, so that you get a nice crease. This is the point where sometimes, like when I'm making them with my grandkids, I will, I was looking for a marker. I will mark the seam because it's easier for them. So you can just take a marker or whatever and see the seam if you need to. It's not necessary, but it might make it easier for you to see. So, like that. And you're going to take where it's folded, you're going to bring that down to the middle and crease. Just like you were making a paper airplane, and crease. Now it won't always crease evenly, and that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, got that part. You're gonna flip it. No, I'm sorry, no. You're gonna take this first piece here. Sorry, I almost forgot that step. And you're gonna bring it up to where the bottom of the folds meet, and you're gonna fold it again. And again. So almost like a little sailor hat, like you did when you were a kid. So we got that. Creasing those down really good. Flip it over. Now we're gonna bring this edge to the middle. And that's where having that line there sometimes helps. Crease real good. And do it on both sides. I'm trying not to go too fast, but okay. So hold that down. Now you're gonna bring this bottom up to here, just like you did on the other side. I'm gonna bring it up here, crease, and you're gonna fold again, crease. So this is what you are gonna have. Okay, so but now you're gonna take this little piece that you just folded, and you're gonna put it inside of here, inside of this part here. But if you see right here, there's like a little fold there. You wanna make sure that this piece gets on the outer side of that. So you kind of put it in there. And I usually just kind of cram it in there at first. And then I fiddle with it till I get it where it's in there nice and like that. So you can see that it's in there, and straighten it down. So they're all tucked in. Now you're gonna take this corner and you're gonna bring it over to here, but you're not gonna crease that. You're gonna crease, bring it over here. You're gonna crease it back here to where it meets this side right here. So just a kind of a half crease. And you're doing that so that that's gonna make your bottom. So you're gonna go down there. So now you go to open it, and where you just creased it, you're gonna kind of push that in like that. Like this, something like that. Okay. Now you go make your sides, just kind of folding them down a little bit so that everything's a crease, crease, crease. And then I usually reach inside and make sure it's all tucked in. And there you go. You've got a pot. Put your soil in, put your seeds in. When you're ready to plant, you just take this whole piece, dig your hole, and stick the whole thing in there, because this paper will have started to disintegrate anyway, but your roots won't be disturbed, and it'll be just fine. You can fit all of these in here. There's another way you can do, I think HGTV did it, and it ends up being round like this, but they don't hold together for me. I mean, the bottoms are coming out. But if you want to know that, you can put the comment down below, and it's pretty simple. You just basically fold the paper in half and wrap it around a can and crunch the bottom. But these come apart too easily for me, and I really like these nice square things. So they're available everywhere, free, and you can get a head start on your garden. I hope that helps. You guys have a blessed day.